So question number, which question number? Question number 9. Question number 9. Y is equal to x cubed minus 11x plus 5. So in here what they have done, so you have to find the point on the curve at which the tangent. So basically here they have directly given you the equation of the tangent. So suppose this one is the curve, right? This one is a curve and this one is the tangent. This one is the tangent to the curve. So what they have done, they have just given the tangent is a line, right? Straight line. So the equation they have given y is equal to x minus 11. Can anybody tell me what is the slope of this tangent without thinking much? What is the slope of this straight line? चलो बताओ इसका slope क्या है बताओ. What is the slope of y is equal to x minus 11? How to find slope of a straight line? यार नहीं पता. Pass. How to find slope of? Yes, very good. How you got it? You will apply y is equal to mx plus c, right? Y is equal to mx plus c. Very good. Yes, slope is 1. So here the equation is what? Y is equal to, there's so many comments that it's blocking my screen. Y is equal to x minus 11, right? You see the coefficient of x is the slope. Here the coefficient of x is what? 1. So slope is equal to 1. Now there is another method to find the slope. Do you want me to tell you what method? The other method goes like this. Y is equal to x minus 11. I told you what? Slope is what? Dy dx, right? Slope of anything is dy dx, not just tangent. If you have to find slope, you just differentiate the equation, you will get the slope. If I differentiate this one, what do I get? Dy dx is equal to 1. You see that the slope is equal to 1. This is the easiest way to find the slope of any curve. It can be line also. Okay, so let us do this one. First thing, let us find the slope of the tangent. So what do you do? What I'm doing, differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x, what do you get? So dy dx is equal to 3x squared minus 11. This is what you get. Now the slope, so the equation of the tangent is what? Equation of the tangent is y is equal to x minus 11. This is my equation of the tangent. So from here I will find the slope. So what I will do, y is equal to x minus 11. Again I will differentiate this one. Differentiating with respect to x, we get dy dx is equal to 1. Okay, so that's how we find the slope of the tangent, the actual tangent. So write down now 3x squared minus 11 is equal to 1, because dy dx is equal to 1 we found out, and dy dx is equal to this thing. So 3x squared minus 11 is equal to 1. So 3x squared is equal to 12. 12 goes, it's 4. So x square is equal to 4. That implies x is equal to plus minus 2, not just 2, it is plus minus 2. Okay, so we have two values of x. So obviously I have got x, so I need y. So let us find y. So write down, when x is equal to plus 2, when x is equal to 2, y is equal to x cube. What is that equation? X cube minus 11x plus 5 minus 11x plus 5. So let us find 2 in there. Y is equal to 2 cube minus 11 into 2 plus 5. So how much is that? 11 minus 22 plus 5. That is coming out to be your to 14, 19 minus 19. No, not minus 19, sorry. It's coming minus 9. 8, 5, that is, yes, minus 9 it's coming. Okay, now the next one. So the point we got is, here the point is 2 comma minus 9. Now the another one, when x is equal to minus 2, what you get? So that is y is equal to minus 2 whole cube minus 11 into minus 2 plus 5. So that is how much? minus 8 plus 22 plus 5. So that is almost 27, 8, that is 19. This one is 19. So the other point is minus 2 comma 19. So what do you reckon, right? Therefore the required points are 2 comma minus 9 and minus 2 comma 19. That's my answer. Okay, clear? Acha. Question number 10. Now we are moving into the interesting bit. Question number 10. So question number 10, what we have, find the equation of all lines. You have to find the equation of all lines having slope minus 1, minus 1, that are tangents to the curve, this thing. So here you have to find equation of a line. Now here we have another type of problem. So here the equation of the curve is given, that is y is equal to x minus 1, and you have to find the equation of the line. So first thing, let us find the slope of all those lines. The slope is given minus 1. Achha, let us find the points. In order to find a line, in order to find an equation of a line, what two things we need? One thing we need is a point. And the other thing we need is a slope. The slope is given, but we don't have a point. Okay, so we have to find the point. Achha, what is the equation of a line? If point and slope given, equation of a line, what if point and slope is given? Point slope form, what is that? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is my equation of a line in point slope form. Okay, so let us do what? Let us find the slope of this one. Now through the slope I will find the points. So differentiating with respect to x, what do you get? What you get if I differentiate with respect to x? So I get dy dx is equal to, differentiation of this one is what? Look at it carefully, UV rule we should apply. So it is x minus 1 whole square, x minus 1 goes up, and differentiation of 1 is 0, forget about it. Then minus 1 comes out, and differentiation of x minus 1 is what? 1. So here we have minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square. So this is what we have. Okay, so this is the thing which we have. So slope of the tangent, they have told you it's minus 1, right? Now write down, since slope of the tangent is equal to minus 1, so what we can say, minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square is equal to minus 1. The slope which we got in here, that will be equal to minus 1. So minus 1 goes away, and this x minus 1 whole square, if I cross multiply, what do you get? X minus 1 whole square is equal to 1. Am I clear? Yes or no? So from here, now we have to do square root of both of them. So what do you get? So x minus 1 whole square. Achha, I will write like this. Now listen very carefully. 1 I will take this side. Minus 1 is equal to 0. Now you see here a square minus b square formula, right? I see a square minus b square formula in here. The reason I am writing this one, because minus 1 whole square is also 1 and plus 1 whole square is also 1. So that's why we have to solve like this. So a square minus b square, the formula is a plus b into a minus b. So what do you get? X minus 1 plus 1, then we have x minus 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. So what do you get? If I simplify this further, so what do I get is x minus 1 goes out, this 2 goes out, and x minus 2 is equal to 0. So the 2 points are x equal to 0 and x equal to 2. So these are the 2 points which we got, right? And using these 2 points we will find the y value. So let us find the y value. So I will write, when x is equal to 0, y is equal to what? Y is equal to minus 1. If you put 0 in here, so y is equal to minus 1. And when x is equal to 2, y is equal to what? Y is equal to plus 1. Y is equal to plus 1. So the required points are what? Therefore the required points are 0 comma minus 1 and 2 comma 1. Now this is not the end of the question. Most of you will leave the question and will proceed to the next one. No, this is not the end. The question says clearly, find the equation of the line. So we have got 2 points. So basically we will be having 2 tangents whose slope is minus 1. Read the question. It says what? Find the equation of all lines. So obviously there will be more than one lines. Okay, so we can see there are 2 lines we can find. So let us do this one. So for a line, what should I write? For a line passing through, let's write the first point, that is minus, what was that? 0 comma minus 1, right? 0 comma minus 1. For a line passing through 0 comma minus 1, let me just check. 0 comma minus 1, I am taking the first point. For a line passing through 0 comma minus 1 and slope is equal to minus 1. So we have to find the equation of this line. So equation of the line for this line is what? It's y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, this formula. So let us put those values. So y minus y1 is what? Minus 1 is equal to m is what? Minus 1, and x minus x1 is 0. So how much is that? Y plus 1 is equal to minus x. So the equation is x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. So this is my first equation of the tangent. Okay, now the second equation will be what? For a line passing through which point? The next one is passing through 2 comma 1. For a line passing through 2 comma 1 and with slope is equal to minus 1. Here we have the equation. I'm not writing the equation again. So y minus y1 is 1 is equal to minus 1 x minus 2. So how much you get? Y minus 1 is equal to minus x plus 2. So here it will be, let us take everyone the other side, y plus x minus 3 equal to 0. Am I clear? Yes or no? So these are the 2 equations of the line we got. One is x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and the other one is x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Understood? Yes or no? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Acha, question number 10 is done. Acha, question number 11 will be homework. Question number 11 will be homework. Question number question number 11 is homework. Acha, question number 12. Question number 12. Let's do the last question of the day. Acha, question number 12 we'll do in next class. Let us do question number 13. 13 let's do. Please remind me about question number 12, okay? Because question number 12 is very, very lengthy. So that's why I don't want to do question number 12. So please remind me in next class. So question number 13 is what? Find the points on the curve. The curve is x square by 9 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1, at which the tangents are parallel to x-axis. It's very, very easy. There is nothing in it. So we have to find the points on the curve at which the tangent is parallel to the x-axis, right? So first thing, I need to find the tangent, and we know the slope of x-axis is what? 0. So let us find. And what is the slope of the tangent? It is dy dx. So what I will do? Differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. What I get? Now tell me. Differentiation of x square by 9 is what? Differentiation of x square by 9 is what? Very good. 2x by 9 plus, and differentiation of y square by 16 is what? Now tell me. Differentiation of y square by 16 is what?
Hold up.
It is 2y
2y by 15.
dy dx. Who will say dy dx is equal to what? Differentiation of is equal to 0, right? So let us take this 2 I can cancel. This 2 I can cancel. So let us just write, or y by 16 dy dx is equal to minus x by 9. Okay, now take y by 16 that side. Therefore, dy dx is equal to minus 16 by 9 x by y. This is what we have. This is the slope of the tangent we have. Now they told you what? The tangents are parallel to x-axis. So since the tangent is parallel to x-axis, we know slope of x-axis. So write down slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent. Now we will write directly is equal to 0. Why it's 0? Since the tangent is parallel, to x-axis. Since the tangent is parallel to x-axis, so here I will write minus 16 by 9 x by y is equal to 0. So tell me, what answer do you get? What value do you get? Let's see, who can tell me? From this equation in here, what value can we get? What is 0 in there? What is 0 in there? किसी को नहीं दिखता. What answer can we get from here? Ayya, come on man.
Pardon sir, समझा नहीं यार.
समझा नहीं? क्या समाचार बोल रहे हो? समझा नहीं.
समाचार समझा नहीं.
अच्छा, look at here. So this is the equation we got. Minus 16 by 9 x by y is equal to 0. So from here, what value we can get? Which value we can get? We can get the value of x, or we can get the value of y. And if we can get the value of, so what is the value of x? X is equal to what?
0.
And what is the value of y? अब आएगा मजा.
Why find out?
Why we cannot determine from here? Okay, yes, why we cannot determine from here? So we have to find from where? By you putting the value of x in the above equation. Okay, so let's do it. Chalo. So write down when x equal to 0. When x equal to 0, so what do you get? 0 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1. This is what we have. So y square is equal to what? Or y square is equal to 16. Therefore y is equal to what? Plus minus 4. Right? Hence, chalo, required points batao. Hence the required points are, what are they? Jaldi.
0,4.
Yes, and
0 minus 4.
Yes, very good. So 0,4 and 0, minus 4 are the answer of this question. Okay, clear? So that's it for today. We'll do the second part later on. Okay, bye then. Take care.